So dia tangkap daripada sini kan. So I have to talk here rather than moving there.
Saya punya mic tutup.
Okay. So just understood. So I cannot move around.
Boleh, of course. So,
tapi boleh tangkap pun.
Ni tempat saya ni.
Can they hear if I sitting there?
Everybody can hear, right? If I'm talking from here.
Can.
Boleh lah tu Ahmad.
Okey lah, boleh lah. Shall we start? Can everybody hear me? 1%? So we have a few people here in the lab. I think we have more online. So so we have two venues. One at the ITMS lab and also one using Teams. So our workshop today is on MATLAB. First of all, I'm Dr. Muhammad Azri from the Mechanical Engineering Department, and I has been here. I started working in Unit 10 since 1997. And prior to that, I was with TMB 1988. So when Unit 10 started in 1996, I was here at IRSAS. Then my exposure to MATLAB was in the US when I did my master 1996. So I completed in 1997. So when I came back, I noticed that not many people using MATLAB. So I introduced MATLAB in one of the courses in Unit 10. I introduced MATLAB in one of the courses, and at that time was parked under CAD course, CAD course. So we have AutoCAD, we have MATLAB, and then we have another software. So 3 software being parked in one course. So both electrical and mechanical taking that course at that time. Then after that, they decided to just focus on CAD because the name of the course is CAD. So they have to pull out the other two, the other two applications, MATLAB and the other one. So I'm not sure what happened after that, which actually courses utilize MATLAB. So maybe you have to learn on your own. So I don't know. But I've been using MATLAB since then. Until now, still using it. So hopefully from this workshop, we can introduce and maybe give some tips on how to use this software. I don't see many changes in terms of using MATLAB back then 20 years ago and now. Maybe there are more more add-on and plenty of add-on, but the principles are the same. The approach are the same. The basics are the same. Only in term, maybe in term of application wise, it would be in terms of application wise, it will be you have more options now compared to last time. Okay, may I know in this room how many have used the software? Can you raise your hand? Only 1%. Cikirnya student takkan tak pakai? During degree, So this some refreshing course for you. Okay, so one person raised their hand online using the software. Who else? I open go in software so do pin. Okay. So how many from the teams using software? So you using MATLAB before? Ramai. My goodness, there are so many people online now. I don't know your skills. So maybe, okay, since I do not really know your background, what I plan to do is just to give my own interpretations of how to use the software. This is my own view. I mean, more like the minimum requirements for you to know in order to be able to survive using the software. Okay. First of all, the very important one is the software itself. I assume that you have MATLAB in your system, or you might want to get it from whatever source it is. Like for me, I'm using the one given by Unit 10. I'm not sure for lecture because this is meant for lecturer, so I'm not sure whether for unit for students how it work out there. But for me, I'm using the license purchased by Unit 10. So the one that I'm showing now is the one that we subscribe. Unit 10 subscribes to MATLAB. Okay. So before I move on, I want to show. So this is the book. Can you see it? So this is the MATLAB book that I wrote in 1999. I don't have the copy, so I went to the library and then check this out. So they have 2 copies in the library, and somehow I managed to get 1 copy. I managed to get 1 copy, and then this was way back in 1989. So okay, why I wrote this book? At that time, MATLAB was nobody knows MATLAB at that time. So, and then I found there were very little information on MATLAB, and whatever information books that they have are very difficult to read, especially for students. So I decided, why not writing a book in the simplistic way of describing MATLAB. So this book is very easy to read and very easy to follow. So, and it's still relevant. Whatever command being used still relevant in using MATLAB. Okay, so I'm going to open MATLAB now. I'm going to, directly to MATLAB. So if you have MATLAB, you can open it. But if you don't have MATLAB, then we will record this session, and then you can come back to view the video later on. So this is the the first thing that you need to know is to get familiarized with the options, with the menu, with the display, with the screen that they have in MATLAB. Okay, so the first one is the command prompt. So at the bottom here is the command prompt. Here is the command prompt. So that is the command prompt. So whatever, my way is writing coding in MATLAB. So that's my style. I write code, and I utilize a lot of this command prompt and also M file to run to execute the commands. So I will write important command that you need to know that normally I use when using MATLAB. So the first one is ls, list. Okay. So it will list whatever file in this particular folder. Okay. It lists whatever file in this particular folder. ls. And then the one that normally I use is pwd. Pwd means the folder you are in now. Pwd, path. Pwd is the folder that you are in now. I usually use it because for every project I have different folder. So when I want to use that particular folder, I will check first which folder I am at the moment, and then from there I change it. If you want to change to different directory, let's say I want to change to different directory, you just put change directory, okay, and then you put the directory name, change directory and the directory name. Okay. For example, if I want to change to grant, okay, so just put change directory e grant, and then press enter. So now if you put pwd, the path is now in grant. You put ls, it has all the folder inside that grant. So you can change directory to any of the folder, maybe M, and then you press tab, tab, if you press tab, it will show all the folder starting with M. So that one, let's say I'll pick MATLAB. So I change that directory to MATLAB. So if you put pwd, then I'm now in MATLAB. But if you go up here, maybe you can, okay, last time you don't have this, but here now it seems that you have this. You can also change from here. You can also change from there. Okay, let me check. pwd. So you can also change from here. In the past, we don't have this. This venue to change from the menu here. We just use the command prompt to change the directory. But here, I think it's a lot easier if you can change from here. So we can work in any directory. Yeah. Okay. You put dir also can. If we show all the difference between list and dir, the same. So either list or basically list, or list and the extension. Yeah. List, no matches pattern. Okay. Okay, this is the command. I'm not sure if you want to know about certain command. Okay, you can put look for diary, for example. Yeah, look for command, look for and diary, and then if we say diary to log command window text to file. Yeah. So look for you to check the information about certain command. Yeah. For example, if I put look for whose, if we display all the command or description with WOHS. Macam ni, I want to find the particular this particular one, whose list variable in workspace with size and types. Yeah. So for example, if I put whose, then this is this one variable available in the space, in the workspace. So how to use diary, for example? You can put help. Okay, look for if you don't know a certain command available or not. Tapi help if you want to find information about that particular command. Help diary. Yeah? Then if we describe information about diary. Okay, so what diary does, save text on MATLAB session, diary and the file name, causes a copy of all subsequent command window input and most of the resulting command window output to be appended to the name file. If no file is specified, the file diary is used. So what does it mean? It means that when you want to work on certain session or project, you can put diary, let's say project 1. Yeah, diary project 1. So whatever command that you type and the output from that command given by MATLAB will be saved in this diary. Yeah, why is important? Because sometimes you want to go back and check your session, so you can go through all the maybe errors encountered or the successful command they have used, or you want to give your diary to your colleague so they can learn from the session, then that is helpful. For example, if I put diary and then give the name of the session, let's say workshop. Okay, and then the extension of the file, let's say DIA diary. Yeah, So it means that from now on, if we record all the command in workshop.dia, yeah. So you have put whos, you have put list. See, there's a workshop there, workshop.dia. So whatever command we type from now on will be saved in workshop.dia. Yeah. So that is one command that you can use to capture all the information or command that you type at command prompt. Yeah. So again, if you want to know something, some command, just put help and then the name of the command, maybe help save. So we tell you how to use save because you type save. Oh, panjang ni. So there's a lot there. And normally it will give some example lah. Ya, macam ni kan, it gives some example. Let's say you run a command and it keep running, especially when you have a while loop or what. It keep running and it cannot stop. So you can use Ctrl C like you usually use in other applications. Press Ctrl and C on your computer, so that will interrupt whatever process, running process. Yeah, because sometimes it happens. You make a loop, you forgot to put an exit command, and the looping, or you do not put counter, so the looping will be on and on and on forever. So you can put Ctrl C to interrupt it. So whos is to check the variable in the space. At the moment we have one variable answer, but if I say x equal to 1, if I say x equal to 1 and then press enter, and if I put whos, you see x become another variable in the space. This is important because when the variable is in the space, is declared, then only you can use it. Yeah. If it's not declared, then you cannot use it. Let's say if I say y equals to x 2 times x, so that is possible. Yeah, y equals to 2. But if I say y equals to 2 times x plus z, z is not declared, right? Z is not declared. If z is not declared, then it gives an error because z is not in the space, in the working environment. Unrecognized value of z, because z, if you put whos, z is not there. Yeah, z is not there. Instead of typing whos, you can also look here, workspace ni. You have answer x and y. Yeah. So there's a difference between, let's say we declare z equal to 4, between putting semicolon and not putting semicolon. Different. If I put z equal to 4 without semicolon, if we echo it, if we echo z equal to 4, if you put z equal to 4 with semicolon, if we declare z, but it won't echo. Yeah. Sometimes you want it to be echoed because you want to confirm, okay, z is 4. But when you have so many variables you want to declare, you just put semicolon. or else your screen will be clustered with so many display, especially if you're running long program, you need to put semicolon. Yeah, if you don't put semicolon, then you will see a lot of echoing on the space. So you put whose, so those are the variable. Yeah, if you, this another command crc. Yeah, what is crc? If you press crc and press enter, you have nice screen, blank screen. Yeah, so it start at the top, because just now it's at the bottom, right? So now it's at the top, so you can write more. But in terms of whose, the variable is still there. Yeah, the variable is still there. But if you don't want the variable z in the space, you can put clear z. Z will be cleared from the space. So you put whose, so you only have x and y and ans. You put clear ans, whose, then you only have x and y. Yeah, you put clear all, everything will be cleared, no variable in the space. So these are the command I usually do, especially when I want to start a new execution of a file. You know, I have to clear everything first, because I don't want any variable in the workspace might interrupt with my coding. Yeah, so when later on when I teach M file, normally I will clear first variable. Yeah, so that only the variable we use in the coding will be applied to run all the commands. Yeah. What is the difference between okay, let's say x equal to 4. You can put semicolon, and then you can put y equals to 5, z equals to 2. You can put in one line, and then put a semicolon at the end. So in this case, you have x, y, and z. Yeah, x, y, and z. Yeah. And then you put whose, you have x, y, and z. How about who? If you put WHO, you can also use WHO. Tapi WHO only say x, y, and z. It doesn't say, you know, what type of it. Is it character? Is it integer? Is it double? Is what then? So you can use whose or who. Normally I use whose lah, so that I can know whether it's a number, or is it a character, or is it a array or whatnot. Yeah. Let's say I say y equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times x. Okay, no. Okay, this one a bit not advanced. I need to show it somehow. I need to show it. CRC. Okay, the strength of MATLAB is in terms of array and matrix, matrices and array. That is MATLAB all about. Array and matrix. So everything actually revolve around array and matrix or matrices. So how are you going to write? Let's say x from 1 to 10, for example, how to write this in MATLAB as an array or matrix, yeah, or vector. So this is how to use it. To write an array, you put x bracket. If 1 to 10, you put 1 colon 10. That is x from 1 to 10. Bracket 1 colon 10. So that gives x equal to 1 to 10. Yeah. So this is the basic that command that you have to use continuously. Yeah. You need to be very proficient in this lah. Okay. How to manipulate array and matrix. You press enter, so that is x 1 to 10. If you want to say y equal to x square, okay, do you write like this or it will give you an error? Yeah, because normally we will write y equal to x square like this, right? Now, what happens if we say y equal to x square? Will it give an error? I press enter. See, it gives an error because this is x is a vector, 1 times 10 matrix. So this you cannot write y to x squared for a vector or matrix. So how are you going to do that? So you have to write y equals to x, yeah, dot square 2. Okay. Whenever you have a matrix operation or vector operation, you need to put a dot in front of it. This is very important. The dot is very important to differentiate between normal operation and the vector operation or array operation. Yeah. In this case, everything is squared, but you need to put that dot. Yeah. You need to put the dot. If you do not put the dot, it gives you an error like this. Give an error like this. So for any operation involving matrix, involving array like this, you need to put the dot. So now we have if you put whose, so you have x 1 to 10, y 1, the size 110, the size of the matrix, 1 row and 10 column, 1 row and 10 column. Yeah. Okay. The first thing normally people use, the first few lessons that people want to know is, can you do the plot of x and y? So you can put the command plot and then x and then y. Yeah. So in research, you use this a lot. Yeah. So this is the basic command for plotting. Plot x, y. Press enter. So you have the plot command. Yeah. You have the plot command of x and then y. So definitely this is the basic command for plot. You can enhance it further by having different command attached to it. For example, if you want to put a label for x, you can say x label like that. Like that. X label x. So you go to the plot, you can see x here. Yeah. Then y label y. Ejaan silap Okay, Y label Y. Yeah. If you want to put a title, then you can write title y equals to x squared. Y equal to x squared. So you have y equal to x squared. This is the basic command to write plot, to write plot. Of course, later on, there will be more advanced commands because when you want to produce paper, normally the requirements, there are certain requirements. You need to put the display. So MATLAB can do those fancy graph that required by you lah. But that one if we have time we can explore. But this is the preliminary of command that usually we apply in MATLAB, in MATLAB. Okay, so MATLAB is not just a command prompt. The strength of MATLAB is the M file which you can put together to write the MATLAB command. Yeah. So that is called M file. Yeah. Let me open one blank file. So this is one blank file. So you can put all the command. Let me close everything else. So you can put your command here. Yeah, you put everything here. So normally, I normally put CLC and then clear all. Yeah, at the top of the file. Okay, and then you can save it. Save as. Yeah. Okay, sure. You don't have the editor. How to open the editor? Okay. Okay. Do you have this? Okay, go to here. Do you have new script? Tekan new script. Tekan new script, so he give you a blank script. Okay. So this is very crucial. Kerja lagi ke apa pencen? Dah pencen dah. Sorry, old friend. Aduh, tengah mengajar ni kelas susah. Oh.
Boleh nak buat IoT ke pun?
Boleh. Okay, jumpa. So this is very important because there's one, I don't know whether he's here or not, one PhD student, he wrote all his command at command prompt, So every time he has to run at command prompt, he has to run so many commands at command prompt. Then one day he asked me, is there a quicker way to do this now? Because every time I have to run, I have to write everything at the command prompt one. So I said, why don't you write everything in a M file one? In a script file? Oh, you have that? Of course you have it then. So when I show it, I put everything in the M file, then bam. It's so easy, yeah? Because everything is compiled in one file. Rather than at prompt, you only use when you want to test something. A quick one lah kan. You say, okay, you're not sure about this, you want to test it. So that is prompt. But if you already have so many lines, then you put in M file lah. Eh? So put clear all and then CRC, yeah. Okay. Uh, then let's say we say X equals to 1 to 10, yeah. And then Y equals to X squared. Okay. And then we're going to plot X, Y. And then we're going to put the title. And we're going to label it. So we're repeating what we did just now. But in N file. Okay. And then we're going to save it. Tekan save here. Just name something. Maybe lesson 1. Automatically the extension is .m. The extension is .m. So you put a list. Say you have lesson 1 here. You have the lesson 1 there. Okay, you put this. So how are you going to run it? You just put less. Okay, first of all, I need to clear. You want to close this kan? You can press this cross mark here, or you can also say close figure 1. Kalau there's error, just put help close. If you don't know something, normally I do not remember all the command. If I don't know something, I put close H. Okay. Ataupun close itself. You just put close. So just now the figure 1 already close, because that's the latest one. So I'm going to list M. So there's one file, lesson 1. So I'm going to execute the file, lesson 1. So I'm going to execute it and press enter. See? Automatically it display the graph that you did just now. Ada error ke ni? Y label, ejaan. Y label. So save it and then run it again. How to run it again? Arrow key, up arrow key. You can press the up arrow key on your keyboard. Yeah. And then press enter. So no more error, but you have the plot lah. Okay. So this is M file. Yeah, this is M file. We will record this session. If you if you miss anything, maybe you have to play back. I think maybe I'm going too fast for some people. Yeah, because I know in the past when I did workshop, there are people struggling. But nowadays, since we have Teams, we can record it. Especially when you learn something new, you need to pause and then look, or rewind and then look back and so on. Yeah. So you need to do that. Yeah. You need to do that. Because I do not expect everybody can follow at this particular pace. If you can, it's fine. But those who cannot, you can always go back and try to review what we have done so far. Okay. Now, I'm going to open a new file, lesson 2. So this is lesson 1, right? So just go there here, new. So automatically you have another one. Yeah. So I always start with CLC and then clear all. Okay, because I want to clear everything in the workspace. And then save it as lesson 2. Save. Okay. So the next one is I want to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Yeah. So I want the user to key in the value, let's say 100 Fahrenheit, and let the system give the answer in Celsius. Yeah. So I'm going to say how to key in. You use the command input. Input is the command to key in. Yeah. Enter your reading. Okay. And then, so I need to have the equation. So y is the formula to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, you can put dot in case the user put an array. Sometimes they put an array. If you just put one value, then you don't need a dot. But if they put a range of values, then you need to have the dot in case they have a array being entered. So this is the command. Y equal to 509. This is a command. Okay. F print F is if you want to display on the screen using certain format. Yeah. So the temperature is percent 4.1 F degree Celsius. This is the next line command and the value of y. Yeah. F print F is a formatted punya instruction, so that you can write percent 4.1 is one decimal with allocation of 4 spaces to display it, and referring to this y value, and n/n is just like next line. You have a you allow for next line to be executed. So this is the command. So you're going to save it, and then if you list the M file, So you have lesson 1 and lesson 2. So you're going to run this lesson 2. Yeah, enter. Enter your reading in Fahrenheit. So you put 100. Yeah, and then you press enter. Temperature is 37.8 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so it do a conversion for you. So everything is done in M file. Everything fine? Okay so far? Okay. So last 20 years we do not have AI. We do not have AI. My time we don't have AI. But nowadays you have AI. So in this workshop I better make use of it. Because for me, instead of spending so much time trying to figure out, just use any AI and then try, especially coding. Coding is a lot easier when using AI. So I'm going to use ChatGPT. Or you can use other AI. And then how you going to apply in MATLAB? Yeah? Okay, we're going to do that because that will be faster to learn MATLAB. Okay, so I'm going to open ChatGPT. So this ChatGPT, all familiar, right? Nowadays everybody use it. Okay, I'm going to use ChatGPT and then need to share the screen. Those online, can you see my ChatGPT screen? One person?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, yeah, you can see. Yeah? Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this line. I'm going to copy this line in ChatGPT. Yeah. I'm going to copy this line in ChatGPT. And then I want to ask ChatGPT to do something for me. Yeah. Please do 3 loops, 3 while loop. Please amend the command to incorporate while loop for 3 conditions. So I want a while loop to ask the temperature 3 times. Yeah. So ChatGPT will amend this command with while loop. Yeah, with while loop. So you press enter using MATLAB. Even though you do not put using MATLAB, I think ChatGPT will know this is a MATLAB command. But I just simply put it. Okay. So it start with count equal to 0. While count less than 3, execute all this command. Okay, and then you have end there. In the past, when you want to do this, you don't know while you need to have bracket or not, or curly bracket or not. But with this one, it's already written for you. It's already written for you. Yeah. So what you can do is that you can copy this code and then put in MATLAB, yeah? Put down here. Yeah? Put down there. And then if you don't want to run the top commands, just put %. Percent in MATLAB is a remark, yeah? That one won't be executed. So that is a remark. That is a remark. So you only run from count 0 and run all of this. But bear in mind, sometimes ChatGPT is not perfect. If there are errors, then that is our responsibility to rectify it. But if there are no errors, it's good lah, kan? Means that it give the right command. So we're going to test this one, whether there are errors or not, by running the lesson 2 command, yeah? Lesson 2, and then press enter. Enter your reading. Okay. Let's say 120. And it says the temperature is 48.9 degrees Celsius. So he asks another one. Let's say 200. The temperature is 93.3 degrees Celsius. Enter your reading again. Let's say negative 20. Temperature is negative 21 degrees Celsius. Yeah. And then it ends after 3 times. Because the loop is for 3. Yeah. So meaning whatever answer given by ChatGPT is correct. Yeah. Is correct. So for me, if you want to submit this assignment, please write a report for the above code. This report presents code overview. Okay. The good thing now, if in previously I always put help, yeah, and then look for in MATLAB, right? But nowadays I do not use that a lot, because I always come to ChatGPT and then please explain how to use. For example, please explain why I use please, because ChatGPT lah, because ChatGPT is very polite, in giving the answer. So because he's a polite person, then when you talk to him also you need to be polite, especially when asking for something. Please explain how to use the command fprintf. You don't know how to use the command, kan? Display formatted text, okay. So you have %d, you have %f, you have %s, and so on lah. For example, ni kan, floating number, decimal point. Ni %d. Okay, kalau a single a digit kan. So very extensive, I mean very complete lah command, ya. So we have we know how to use M file. Okay. So this is the lesson 2M. If you want to see what is in lesson 1, for example, you want to see the command in lesson 1, you can use this command. You can use this command. Type lesson 1.m. It will show you the command in lesson 1. If you don't want to open the file, you just want to see what is in the file, just put type, type, ataupun you put type lesson 2.m. So it will show you that. Yeah. I give a lot of tricks here with the latest trend. I mentioned to you just now, if you somehow miss out some of the things here, we give you the video, the link for the video for you to catch up. Yeah. Okay, for you to catch up. Okay. Okay, how I'm going to put this? When I went to UK, when I went to US in 1995, 1996 to do my master's, I did a master in mechanical engineering now. So it's all advanced heat transfer, advanced thermodynamics, advanced fluids. It's all advanced subject in the US. So I worked for 8 years. Then suddenly I have to go and pursue my master. That 8 years, is quite a long period, right? To suddenly start back in schools, right? So luckily at that time they have this. They write everything on videotape. Yeah. Nowadays you seldom see it. They write everything, the lecture in videotape. And then you go to the library, you can check out the tape, right? So I love to use that. I always miss out in the lecture. I mean, it's hard for me to follow, right? But I can always check out the tape, right? So I always go back and then play, play, rewind and play, rewind and play, rewind and play, and that helps a lot lah. So the internet is around that time, 97, the internet starts to be bigger. So then after that, then they change from tape to internet, but still new, right? Yeah. So I love that one. It'd be easier to play back, right? But still the size is bulky lah. So I came back in Unit 10. I introduced my classes at that time have online video in which I record it and they can play. 2006 onwards lah. Yeah. So what I'm going to show now is how I use it in YouTube, because I don't think many people know, but for me, this is how I use it. Yeah, I'm going to teach you how I use YouTube to learn something. Yeah, this is more like the way I use it. Yeah. For me, when learn something new,
MATLAB is an environment for all kinds of technical thinking, like data analysis, simulation, or simulating some constants.
Okay, for me, you can learn everything and anything. You can learn whatever you want to learn, but you need to spend time. Yeah, you can expect that you spend 1 hour, then you be you know, a master of that subject. You need to spend time, a lot of time. Yeah. But the problem is that sometimes you watch one video, then you skip. You watch another video, you skip. You watch another video. At the end, you don't learn much. Yeah. Yeah. For me, I always use this particular command. Yeah. Maybe you know it. Oh, oh, they don't have it. Or maybe down here. One moment, one moment, one moment. Sekejap ya. Not all the apa video have it lah. Sekejap, sekejap cari satu tutorial. Let's say you want to learn SolidWorks. I always use this clip. You go, apa? Click this 3 dot, and then you use clip, yeah. And then you can play over and over and over and over for certain period of time to 60 minutes, yeah. Especially the part that you are uncomfortable, whether you understand or not, yeah. You can play on repeating. Okay, my style is that I keep repeating this one, and at the same time I do other things. I can do my other assignments, I can do here and do and there, but I keep repeating this one. That is my way of doing things. If I don't understand something, because I know it takes a while for me to understand it, but I can do other things. I want to do other things, right? So I keep repeating. If I still don't understand, I send this clip to my friend. Hey, can you explain to me? I don't understand this one, lah. You know. Then you can do a lot of things while learning something. Yeah. But make sure you can find a good tutorial, lah. Yeah, that is worth enough to spend time, right? So you keep on doing this. By doing this, you won't miss out that much, because sometimes tiny little thing mentioned in the video actually make a difference. If you do like this, you will not miss that little bit thing that actually change your life. Like learning how to use learning SolidWorks. There are few things actually there. If you watch very fast, you miss it out. But if you get that one particular moment, you learn everything. Yeah. So this is what I learned, with this new technology lah, beside AI. Yeah. So utilize. If there are clips there, utilize it. Yeah. Because it's very, very helpful. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so today it's more like sharing with you. It's more like sharing with you. Of course, I'm teaching MATLAB, but I know most of you are, all of you are postgrad, right? So you need to survive. How to interpret papers, for example. So I show you a bit on papers. Maybe this will help you. Cloud. Cloud AI, cloud.ai. So this is another AI that I usually use. Okay, Cloud AI. So if you have used it, that's fine. If you haven't used it, just pay attention. I like Cloud AI because you can put you can put the PDF file for you if when you do literature review, you want to do you download the PDF file, so you can use Cloud AI to quickly read the PDF file for you. Yeah. Last few months, Malaysia cannot use it. Only US and UK can use it. But recently it opened up to many countries, including Malaysia. So better make use of it. Yeah. So it sent a code. So just type the code. Yeah. Even though it gives you restricted time usage, but it's very useful. It's very useful. So 358372. Okay, we want to find one paper, for example. So we go to Sun Direct. Maybe what's your area? Any of your area? Are you? Smart meter and smart grid. Smart grid lah. Enhancing smart grid security, a new approach for efficient attack detection. Ooh. Smart grid environment using blockchain. Wow. Hybrid optimization approach for power scheduling with this one interesting. So we download this paper, yeah. Okay, smart grid. So we're going to attach the file to cloud. So my style, normally I look at the title, I do not read the paper, I come to cloud, I ask question first. Okay, I ask all the question, then only I go back and read the paper. Because if it's not there, then I just find another paper. Okay, I don't want to waste time try to understand everything which you don't even understand. And then ask first, then only read later. Yeah. Okay. Some question that you want to ask before reading this? What is the problem statement in the paper? What are the objectives? Okay. What are the optimization technique used? What are the limitations? Oh, you two are the same, same subject area. Oh, storage. Actually, I'm also doing storage. Tapi different options lah. Battery is one of storage. For hydropower, they use storage also. And the recent one with my supervisor in UK is the mechanical storage, spinning kan. So there are many types. What are the limitations? Okay. Now, why I list out so many questions? Because cloud only allow you certain amount of question to solve. So dia punya advice, cloud punya advice. If you want to ask question, don't ask one by one. List out everything first. Yeah, if you ask one, then after some time you say okay, wait until 5 o'clock, then only can use. Kan? So dia punya advice, list all the question that you have in mind, then you have more time given for you to ask another set of questions. Yeah. Uh, So I always use a 10-year-old boy ni, because when it's explained to 10-year-old boy, it explained in simple terms, you know. Even though we doing our PhD, but sometimes when things are too difficult, whenever he explains something also, we also still don't understand, yeah. So why don't you just try to explain to 10-year-old boy? And sometimes that perspective might help you. Yeah, you can relate when you were young. Yeah, you normally he give some example when you were young lah kan. So we say, oh yeah, I did this, yeah, you know, and so on lah. How do you rate the paper? What else? Huh? One more. How many references used? Write one paragraph literature review. Okay, cukup. Okay, enter. So it takes longer than the ChatGPT, yeah, because the processing power is better than ChatGPT. It take longer. The problem statement is to optimize energy management in smart grid to reduce cost, peak power usage, and carbon emissions. That's what you're doing lah kan. The objectives are to minimize electric cost, carbon emission peak, sama. The optimization technique used are the Mexican, ini pun kita tak tahu, ni first time ni dengar ni. Mexican Axolot optimization, wow. Algorithm and the honey badger algorithm, wow, this is new. A hybrid approach called enhanced MAO is proposed. Okay. The limitations are assumption of fixed consumer behavior. Betul lah, sometimes we need to do some assumption kan. Focus specific combination algorithms. Okay. Nombor 5 apa ni? Nombor 5, please explain small form. This paper try to say literacy and money in small home. Ni tu 10-year-old lah. It schedules when different appliance should run based. Ini kan senang faham. It schedule when different appliance should run based on how much sunlight is available, how much electric costs at different times of the day and people's needs. It uses special programs to automatically decide the best time to run heaters. Okay. Number 6, how do you rate the paper? I would rate this paper as very good. Kau lah masuk science direct kan. Based on the rigorous simulation and 30 references I use. Okay. So next time when you want to send to science direct, 30 references. How many references used? Number 8. The paper review limitation on existing demand response approach in smart grids and battery storage. The proposed EMR method contribute by saya tak sebut MATLAB lah tadi. Alamak. Saya tak type kot. Okay. How MATLAB kan? Apa lagi nak tanya? Sayang ni. Apa dia? Sure. If I want what? What is the what are the objective function used in the optimization? If I want to propose a PhD title, a title for my PhD based on this work, these 10 titles. Dia akan propose yang latest tau. Okey, cukup. Ini kita tak baca ni, paper ni. Tanya je soalan. How MATLAB is used in the paper? MATLAB simulation are conducted to evaluate the performance of the proposed. The algorithm tu dia pakai MATLAB. Comparison are made with system optimization course. Banyaknya MATLAB pakai. Tak sia-sia kau datang course ni. Tapi baru belajar basic je. Tak apa. Parameters like cost, mutual power, consume details are calculated. Dahsyat MATLAB. An example algorithm from the paper. Distribution, solution. Ni semua terms that they use. Objective function used for automation. Minimization total. Betul kan ni? Is it? Okay, multi-objective. Dia pakai multi-objective. Dahsyat ni paper ni. 10 potential PhD thesis title. Hybrid optimization of energy management in smart grid using bio-inspired algorithm. Intelligent load scheduling. Kau buat kan load scheduling? Ataupun part of it? And automated DR framework integrating meta-heuristic technique of coefficient. Ambil ni. Okay. Please write a PhD proposal for this title. Aduh. Okay. Senang sekarang buat PhD ya. Ada. ABC. ABC algorithm. Dia sendiri decide pilih kan. Dia pilih yang latest ni. Kalau yang ni dia punya basic saja. Tapi if you challenge him, dia ni pantang di challenge tau. Ni AI ni if you challenge them, they will try to show off tau yang dia are better than what you think they are kan. So the more you challenge them, the more information they will give. Kan? For example saja you katakan, I think these two problem segment. Okay, no. Can you write a literature review for the above? Okay. They will write a literature review, but it's not perfect. It's not perfect means that sometimes the links are not there. Tapi it actually guide you, you know. You go to ScienceDirect and then put the keyword lah, kan? Okay, they definitely will write something, but this is skeleton. Don't take it exactly as it is. It's a skeleton for you to write your own literature review. like this lah. At least you have some substance though in your literature review. Okay, 3 tahun siap PhD. Ada gaps lah tu. Oh my goodness. This is the part in which a lot of students missing gaps. Then your supervisor say, where's the gap? You know. Aduh. Okay, I show you one more. I show you one more. I show you one more. Okay, this is how you can make it faster. No, kita pergi ni Scholar Google. So you go sign direct or Scholar Google. We pick that particular title just now. Okay, we use this title and then put it there. Okay, this is how I use it. Press this side, tekan this one, copy, Ctrl C, go to cloud, okay, then we write the literature review for you for this particular paper. Cloud is more detailed. ChatGPT more general. Yeah. So for me, I use this one first, then I only read the paper. It's always like this. If you read the paper, sometimes it's too wordy, too lengthy, and you want to get the gist first, and only read the paper. Yeah. Or you can summarize in one paragraph the following paper. And then ChatGPT normally cannot get access to link like this. Yeah, yeah. This one they can get the latest one. Macam ni kan, dia tulis semua ni. Kan? With the correct punya citation. Okay. So there's no excuse for you when your supervisor asks for literature review and the gaps and whatnot. Okay. All right, now we go back to MATLAB. Okay, sometimes you might write there, clear all. So clear everything in the workspace, CRC. CRC, So you say x equal to 1 divided by 3. So it will be 0.3333 something, kan? Okay, so this one is 4 decimal point. But if you say format long, and then you say x equals to 1 divided by 3, you put more. Okay. If you put the format short and E, if we write in terms of scientific, Okay, 10 to power negative 1. So you can control the display by format, yeah, by format. Okay, you want to go back to original, format short. So you go back. The one that use is format short lah, but you can change to format long or whatnot, yeah. How about format compact? If format compact, so you see the difference between this and this. Here you have a space there. Here is more compact, closer together. So that's format compact. So you don't want it to be too much space in between. You can use format compact. You want to go back to original one, format loose. So that one go back to original. Format loose. Okay. Now everything about MATLAB is metric. So I need to touch about metrics, because if you are good in matrices, then you are fine with MATLAB. Yeah, because the core of MATLAB is using matrix. So this one definitely I need to touch it. Yeah, I need to touch it. If you want to select x from 0 to 100 with 10 in between, so you write 0 to 100, okay? 0 to 100, this will show from 0, 1, 2, 3 until 100. But you want to skip every 10, you put like that. So 0 to 100, in between them is 10. Yeah. So you have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 100. So the middle one is the number in between lah, the space in between. Okay. Kalau you want to start with 20, you can put 20 lah. Or you want to start with 20 kan? Then you start with 20. Yeah. So you put whose. If we say x has 1 row, 9 column. Yeah. So you want to take x from the first all row and first column to third column. Like that. The first one mean all rows. Actually, we only have one row. And we want to extract first column and third column. First column and third column. So you have 20, 30, 40. 20, 30, 40. All rows, first column, third column. If you want to do from, let's say, 6 to 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. All rows and one particular column. So you get 70, 80, 90, 100. You want to take all rows and all column? That is all rows, all column. You get back the original lah. So extraction is important, especially when you do image processing. The image in matrix form, you want to extract certain information from the image, then you have to use a lot of these manipulations. You have to do a lot of this manipulation. Okay, how are you going to write a 3 by 3 matrix? So you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. First row, second row, third row. How you write it? You put a semicolon in between the row. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or you can write z equals to 4, 6, 7. And then you add some more 8, 9, 2. And then 7, 4, 3. And then close the bracket. So this is another way of writing a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Either you can use semicolon or you can put a next line there. Put shift enter. Put shift enter, it goes to the next line. Yeah, it goes to the next line. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 7, 4, 3. I think one class is not enough. Maybe they have to a series of MATLAB classes. Okay, let's say you want to extract this row, 743. So third row and all column. So third row and all column. Yeah, third row and all column. 7, 3, comma, column. Okay, 743. If you want to put 9, 4, 2, 3, so it will be second and third column, second and third row. Second to third row, second to third column. Yeah, this one second, third, this one column, second, third. So you get 9, 2, 4, 3. So this is how you extract. This is how you extract the data. Extraction is important when you want to manipulate your data. Yeah, sometimes you have plenty of data, but you want to get portion of it, like image processing, then you need to be able to do this command manipulation of command. Kalau you want to do metric metric multiplications, let's say y times z, let's say s equal to y. If it's a metric, you must put dot times z. Yeah, it's a metric. Must put dot, ya. Boleh ke? 3 times 3 can times by 3 times 3 kan? Sebab apa dia kata tak boleh? Oh, x. Z. X tak boleh. X 1 times 9 tak boleh kan? 3 times 3 cannot multiply by 1 times 9. Z ni boleh. Kalau t equal to y plus z boleh kalau tanpa put the dot. We do not put dot but we want to plus. Is it possible? Boleh. Plus boleh. Kalau put dot pun boleh juga. Oh, tak boleh lah. Oh, tak boleh. Plus cannot. Like that. Okay. So that's how you want to multiply matrix. So if you have all these variable, you want to save it. you can put save data 1 and then you want to save the data. Let's say you want to save S, T, X, Y, and Z into data 1. Let's say data 1 dot data. So you put list that you have this data 1. Data 1, all this variable is all the variables have been saved in data 1. So you put clear all. Kan, sekarang ni dalam workspace dia ada variables. You put clear all the variable will be gone. But you put load data 1 dot dat, it will load back the data. Load data 1. Unable to file the data input must be a MATLAB or ASCII file. Oh, okay, faham. What happened? Oh, okay. I think when we save it, okay, I try one more time. So save data 1 dot dat X, Y, Z in term of ASCII. So I'm going to load it or load data 1 dot dat in term of ASCII. Okay. So it's saved as data 1, 3 of them, not single digit, not all the variables. So maybe macam ni this is how you're going to use it. So because just now there's something going on there, so when I type save, when I type help, this is how to save it. Save the name of the file .mat and also the name of the variable that you want to save, like this. Okay, you can do this, copy this one and then paste it there. Okay, you put clear all and then load PQ file. Then the variable will be displayed, will be load. That's P, that's P, that is Q. So that is how you're going to use the words, the save, the save command. I think we only touch a bit there on MATLAB. But then hopefully this will be a good start. Hopefully this is a good start. Maybe if I create a group, maybe you can ask question there. If you have any question on your research. Okay, my way is that sometimes my background is mechanical, yeah. But if an electrical postgrad ask me question, I normally can answer them, but I don't know what's going on. You understand? I can do the coding for them, then I say, this is what you want? Because they say, oh, this is good, this is great, then. But I actually, I don't know what's going on. Because they only give me the equations, give me the function, whatever they need to do, then I do that for them. And I assist them lah. Tapi in reality, I don't know the research is all about. But given the equations, I can do the coding. That is how it works lah in MATLAB. Yeah, even though you are not into that, but you, as long as you have equations, you can assist them with the coding. So how to, let's say if I create a group, then I have to invite you or what? Macam mana? How do you know your number? How do I know your number? Oh, okay. I give my ni lah kan. I give my contact kot. Huh? Understood. Okay. Or one person can collect it macam mana? If I give, is that your job to ni? Or your job is only for this particular session? WhatsApp lah. So if you create the WhatsApp group, each one of you, I give this copy, the copy. This is a good book, For me, it's good if you are new lah. It's a scan copy. Scan digital copy. Scan digital copy. So I hope when you write paper, you put a reference to this book lah. If you ask me question, then I will entertain you lah. With your research kan. Sebab how do you all lah? Oh, you have their contact number? Of course. Hebat kau. Hebat. So those in the, if you ask me question, I can answer. If anybody in the group also want to help, when you're helping others, actually you're helping yourself, kan? That's how I learn MATLAB. Because a lot of people ask me, then I help them. Then from there I learn a lot. Yeah. Can. Because for me, atomization is the more fokusnya area kan, unique to itself lah. So when I guide you, it's more like fokusnya guide lah on automation. I also do automatizations, yeah. So when I help assist you, I also actually can. Maybe I have been utilizing it. At the same time, if you ask something new, then I can definitely learn for you. If I search for the information, maybe I can do it faster than you because of the background that I have. Yeah. But at the same time, it's also new to me. Yeah, because MATLAB is vast. You know, it can be anything, everything. Yeah, not just you have Simulink. You have a lot of other things. Image processing is another total different areas. And furthermore, at the moment I'm doing storage, you do storage, I also want to do storage on the electrical side, PV side and whatnot. So that would be interesting. So whatever I think the present moment, if I help you guys, is the latest research lah. Kan, yang definitely interrelate with what research I'm doing. You buat apa? On? Tengok semuanya ke arah tu. Semua ke arah renewable energy currently kan. Because that's the ideal forecast for Malaysia energy mix. Yeah, our forecast is on this. Yeah, solar is like the main thing. That's our forecast. Besides other thing lah, macam biomass, small portion, nuclear, not yet decided kan. Tapi solar, no, the challenge is, can our grid absorb that intermittent punya sources ni? That is the challenge. So you guys doing that actually. It's challenge for us lah. So I think it's almost fine. It's not end here. Hopefully with the group you can ask question. So you can I can give the book the copy in the book. You have any question regarding the book also? This book is good because it cover a lot of things. Yeah, it has GUI, graphical user interface. Yeah, like you pressing the button and then macam ni kan, command Fahrenheit tu kan, tapi you have a display lah. The graph will be there, the input will be there, you press the button and so on. So it's part of it. Yeah, no more. Hard copy no more. So I have to give the scan copy. Maybe I need to revise a second edition. This is what, 20 years back. So if I write a new editions, I think I have to write new editions. Yeah, because I'm going to retire, so I have plenty of time to write books. Simscape. It's not. At that time, we don't have Simscape. Yeah. So I just, somebody asked me about Simscape, and I look into Simscape. It's very interesting. Yeah, it coupled with Simulink, right? So that's why new editions, you cannot put everything, but those things need to be touched. Simscape is a huge one. Sebab mechanical ni semuanya kan, you can complete even images kan. No. So you need to do Simscape. Yeah. Okay, tak apa. This is good start. Later on we explore Simscape. Macam saya cari cepat sikit. You just started or you have started or what? 1 year. 1 year ni PhD. Oh, masters. Oh, 1 year master. Okay lah. So you have done something lah. Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. Who's your supervisor? Chicken. Oh, Engkau Anissa. Okay lah, kenal semua dah. She asked you to come here or what? On your own? No. On your own. Okay, I think that's it for today. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the group. I try to answer. I did some for macam AI AI a bit. So you using machine learning or what? Oh, that is my area tu sebenarnya. Bukan my interest, my area and whatnot lah. Because I'm into AI now. So we can explore that. Yeah, because for me, during my time, of course lah, no AI kan. But this nowadays ni, like you see just now, I use AI, but that one other people punya. Yeah, you use what, Python or you want to use MATLAB? Both. MATLAB lah. I think MATLAB should be. If me, I use MATLAB lah. Even though Python have its strengths, tapi I definitely go into it. Yeah, you are okay because I'm going into it. So I have interest. So you have interest, then I'll be easier for me to assist people. Yeah, because I'm doing it. Yeah. If totally different area, maybe it be difficult lah. Tapi these are the area kan that I'm have high interest in. Weh, your research ni semua latest canggih-canggih ni. So you doing PhD? My goodness. So you also PhD? My goodness. PMB scholar. Yang recent one ke you dapat ke apa? Ya? Yeah? Oh, you yang 10 orang ni. Ada daripada energy fuel tu nama apa? That guy? Kenal tak? Ah, yes. Yelah, dia kan friendly. Dia jaga berbilion-bilion fuel kan. So when we do the dengan ST and on energy forecast tu, jumpa dia nak validate our data tu. Kan. So sekarang ni dia cuti okey lah. Tanpa gaji. You saya 3 tahun kan? Bestnya. Jalan kan gaji tapi cuti lah. Cuti tak payah pergi kerja lah. Buat MATLAB je. So how is it decided for you to use MATLAB? Or you can still decide to use others? Oh, pakai MATLAB je. Senang. Bukan senang, maksudnya ialah macam kan all the journals kan. Semua pakai MATLAB. Nak buka minat tu. You nak? Ya. Why you propose to do a hybrid of hybrid on the optimization of tadi dia sebut kat sini ni ABC dengan ni interesting. Locus strength. Okay. Premature convergence. Banyak reason dia bagi. Macam ni, you have 3 messages remaining until 9 PM. So dia ada limitation unless you pay. Ni subscribe to Pro. $20 per month. Okey lah kan. Kalau ada grant but it's very very powerful lah kan. You email to me?
I already WhatsApp, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Alright. Then I will
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Are there any questions? Because we are almost towards the end. Everybody will be in the group, yeah, MATLAB WhatsApp group. You can ask question there. Primananda Din Aditya, you from where? Indonesia. How to join the WhatsApp group? I think I have your number. I have your contact number. I will message to you the link to the WhatsApp group, because the person in charge here, he give the contact number to me. I will send message to you, or I add you to the group. Okay. Arziyadi Malik Karim Kadim. Yes, we will add you. And also I'll give the copy of this workshop, copy of this lecture to the participant in the group lah. Yeah, I will add everybody. Oh, we have international number. I already email everyone who registered via Google Teams. Oh, you already create the group or what?
I already create the group.
Yes,
Make
Professor, I want to ask you about something.
Sir, I cannot invite you directly because it is private something.
Okay, understand. And then you make me admin lah.
Of course, can sir.
Yes,
Yes,
what is the question? Saif.
Yes, I want to ask you about using the AI. Okay, using AI by citation.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you use before by citation. You use literature review methodology and ask the AI about the problem of any research by
Oh,
citation. Yes, can you again
you
please
mean
that?
you mean this asking this?
Yeah. What the difference between the cloud and chat GBT?
Okay.
Why using the cloud? Always you see using this cloud, not chat GPT.
ChatGPT the reference until certain years. Cloud use the latest one. Yeah, that's the limitation of
That
ChatGPT.
yes, professor. That means the chat GPT. It's a mod have a mod updated
Yeah, reference.
updated references, not old.
Yeah, not all. Yeah, cloud.
Can you can you
The
can you can you again explain that way, please?
explain on what?
By citation, research by citation of summarizing and summary, and also the literature review for any citation. How can ask the chat GPT? Can you explain the method?
Can you see the screen?
Okay, yes, I see.
So your question is you want to find the citation.
No, I have citation, but I want to summarize that.
Okay, understood.
How I can search
Okay,
by, yeah, how I can ask the AI.
okay. This one I type it in Google Scholar, so it give me the list of papers related to that. Yeah,
Yes.
this one you know how to do it. Let's say
You
if
see the citation.
if I put if I press this site,
Yes.
it give me the different format. Yeah. So
Yes.
normally we use this APA format.
Okay, nice.
So I take this one. If I go to cloud, please write one paragraph summary of this paper.
You
So
make enter. Excuse me, professor. You make
yeah,
enter. You after summary of this paper, you make enter then best.
Yeah, you press enter.
Okay.
You press enter, then it will summarize for you.
It's need subscribe.
No, free.
It's free. Okay.
But they only give you like 10 questions you can ask. After that, he asks you to wait for 5 hours.
Okay.
So like this lah.
They give us the exact answer.
For me, I always check. Yeah, I always check. Not exact, but I always check back lah.
Okay. Thank you. Clear,
Uh,
doctor.
okay,
Thank you.
okay. All right. That's all for today. I have my class later on at 6. So thank you, everybody. I'll see you again in the chat in WhatsApp. All right. Bye-bye.